Today we've been really paying very close attention to the radar. We do have some rain that will eventually be moving in, but
that
for
people
now,
definitely need to know about.
Yes, because we do have our WFA weather alert day, but we're not doing it until later tonight. So that is when it goes into effect. It's tonight to tomorrow morning. So that is when we are expecting that widespread rain that could be a little heavy at times with gusty wind and lightning. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible across the Metroplex with isolated higher amounts. So what you need to do is just stay updated with the latest forecast. Have a way to receive any warnings that could potentially come out, but that threat overall, that's going to be very low. Also, download the WFA Plus to your TV, the app to your TV, because we will be doing cut-ins on there. Now let's fast forward to Thanksgiving. Everyone wants to know what's going to happen. We've been talking about it for a while. The forecast really hasn't changed a whole lot. It looks really nice. 60 degrees, mostly sunny. It looks dry. It looks nice and cool. We've got a light wind coming out of the northeast, so no problems weather-wise there. Right now, it's gorgeous outside. This is our Reunion Tower camera. Blue skies. We've got that light east-northeast wind at 5 miles an hour. Temperatures starting out nice and cool, a little chilly in other spots. 45 in Decatur, 44 in Denton, 45 in Terrell, 50 degrees in downtown Dallas, 51 right now in Corsicana. Now looking at the big picture, North Texas, we do have some high clouds moving in from the south. Moisture is increasing from the south, but you can see that spin over parts of Arizona moving into New Mexico. That's our next storm system. So it's still quite a ways away. So we don't have any rain to show you right now, but that will be increasing later tonight. So I'm taking our timecast. I'm going to fast forward all the way until noon today. Even at that time, I'm still expecting some sunshine. We're going to slowly see those clouds increase later this evening. By 7 o'clock, there could be a few isolated showers west of the Metroplex, but still the main line is way out to the west. It's really not even until 10 o'clock where maybe some of our far western counties start to see some showers. And now we're taking it to midnight, and it looks like Dallas County, we still don't even have that rain yet, but maybe a few raindrops moving into at least close to Fort Worth. But the showers and storms, that coverage, the intensity, it's starting to pick up mainly tomorrow morning. Your morning commute, it does look wet, so give yourself some extra time as you're headed out the door. There will likely be delays during that time. At noon tomorrow, some of our eastern counties, east of Metroplex, we're still going to have some rain around, but we're going to be drying out to the west. So tomorrow, it's not going to be a complete washout by any means. We could actually work in some sunshine, and that will allow temperatures to climb back into the 70s. But as of right now, it looks like some of the heaviest of the rain will be moving through the Metroplex, and we're still looking at that 1 to 2 inches of rainfall with isolated higher amounts possible. So for today, increasing clouds, but that coverage of rain, that 30%, I don't even have that until later this evening. Temperatures still make it into the upper 60s today, but overnight tonight, we're going with that 90% coverage of rain and storms, and temperatures only drop down into the upper 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, by then, I think most of the rain will be out of here. So that 90%, that's primarily going to happen early in the morning. Temperatures in the low 70s. We look dry on Tuesday. The main cold front doesn't even move through until very early Tuesday morning, and we're still looking at 70. But the colder air, that holds off until Wednesday. It's really not even all that cold. 58 degrees on Thanksgiving Day itself. We bump it up to 60. We climb into the low 60s by Friday. By next weekend, we have another storm system moving through, so more chances of rain. The second half of that 14-day, it still looks a little unsettled. Several chances of rain with temperatures cooling off quite a bit. Janelle, back to you.